Everybody take your hands, put them like this, rub your hands together. What are you feeling between your hands? Heat. So heat and friction creates what? Energy. So now what I want you to do is I want you to cup your hands. What did he say? Because his is probably funnier. What did he say? Babies? Good for you, dude. Okay, cool. I'll mention you as a speaker because that's funny. Okay, so ready? Go like this. Ever have one of your alphas in your classroom say something funnier than you and you get mad at them as opposed to saying, dude, that's awesome. I can't wait till you're on like America's Got Talent. I want front row tickets at 10%. All right, cool. So rub your hands together like this. Pull your hands, cup your hands, and pull your hands apart. And now just hang out. Now some of you have your thumbs up, that's fine. Next time when you do it, try to keep your hands down and cup it. Let's do that one more time. I just want to see if you feel anything. Okay, let's do it one more time. Ready? Cup your hands together, pull your hands together. Okay, now cup your hands, pull your hands apart, and just hang out. What do you feel? What's that?
Tingle.
Tingle, okay. Tingle, not tinkle, right?
No.
Okay, just making sure. Yeah, okay. How many of you feel like there's like something in between your hands? You feel that? Resistance, right? Like there's like a magnet or a block. So if you could just clap your hands together, but if you actually maybe even pulled your hands apart, you feel like the brick or the block of energy expands. How many of you feel that? Just nod your head. If you think I'm totally nuts, that's fine. Look around the room. Everybody's nuts. I mean, we work with early childhood kids, so let's just be realistic. Let's do that one more time. Rub your hands together, pull your hands apart like this. So I do Reiki. If you don't know what that is, look it up. R-E-I-K-I. By the way, anything that I talk about, and I just whiz right through because this is an hour program, and I usually do 3 or 6 hour training, so my energy is a little bit higher than normal people. The magnets are right over there. You can take one. You can email me, reach out to me. I can talk this fast. Everybody's from New York, so you know what I'm talking about, right? Good. Awesome. Good talk. Okay, cool. Now pull your hands apart even more. And now, while you're feeling that, give yourself an energy hug. Everybody say, I love you, me.
I love you, me.
Now, rub your hands together just like this. One more time. Pull your hands apart like this. And now, everybody give your belly a hug where your ki, your chi, your energy cores. Everybody say, I love you, belly.
I love you, belly.
The inner belly, not the outer belly that you get mad at every time you walk by the mirror. Okay? Just like that. Because in your mind, you should be a different way instead of just being happy and whole and complete. Well, why would you want that? Then, if you had nothing to complain about, you would just go on like art projects or vacations or something. Well, why do that? You can just Twitter and tweet and you'll be fine because you're happy, right? Wow. Okay, good talk.